Accessing your DasherDirect virtual card is now streamlined through the DoorDash Dasher app. Let's walk through the simple process step by step. Once in the app, navigate to the DasherDirect section. Here you'll find immediate access to your complete virtual card information, including card number, expiration date, and CVV code. For PIN management, the app provides secure access to view your PIN using authentication. You can also modify your PIN through the self-service interface, which includes multiple authentication layers for enhanced security. With these streamlined features, DasherDirect provides instant access to your virtual card and secure PIN management, all within the familiar DoorDash Dasher app interface. DasherDirect employs multiple layers of advanced security to protect your financial information and transactions. Tokenization is a key security feature that replaces your actual card number with a unique digital token for each transaction. Biometric authentication adds an extra layer of security using your fingerprint or facial recognition to access your account. Session management automatically logs you out after periods of inactivity to prevent unauthorized access. Real-time fraud monitoring continuously watches for suspicious activity on your account. The system analyzes every transaction instantly and sends immediate alerts if anything suspicious is detected. You can instantly freeze your card directly from the app if you notice any unauthorized activity. Following security best practices helps maximize your account protection. First, enable all available security features, including biometric authentication and transaction alerts. Second, regularly monitor your transaction history through the app to catch any unauthorized activity quickly. Third, always use secure networks when accessing your account and avoid public Wi-Fi for banking. Finally, keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. These security measures and best practices work together to provide comprehensive protection for your DasherDirect account and funds.